So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And now in this video I'll be continuing my C tutorial classes, and in this lecture I'll be completing the operators in C, the major operators that are used. Let's get started with the video, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So first of all, we are in a Visual Studio Code. So the first thing that we should do is that we go in C and so we create operator. Now you write operator and then .c because we are doing a C file. Now I write simply main2. So this is the boiler code. I would be telling you about how to add this in later videos. So for now, just see what I will be doing. Okay, yeah. So basically, what are operators? Operators are basically used for simple mathematical calculations like plus, like addition, division, subtraction, multiplication, and many more like that. So in C also those things are only used, and also you can add variables to variables, multiply two variables, assign any integer value or any float value to any you can say variable, as I have done in previous video also, that I written one like int num is equal to like 100. So basically what is this? So int num and then is equal to sign is basically the operator only. So I have used the operator in previous video also, but I would be telling you more about them in depth now. So if we start by if we start the first operator, so the first operator going to be plus. So as we know that what does plus do? So plus is basically used for addition. So the first one going to be addition, and if you take one simple example like int my num is equal to 100 plus 50. Yeah, this is the basic. Okay, so this is the basic thing, int then my num and then is equal to sign. So is equal to is also operator only, but the main operator here is plus. So basically 100 plus 50. So if you can say if I print it out by printf, the sum is and percentage d, as I've told in my previous video also, and percent my num. So now as you can see 100 plus 50 would be giving us 150. Okay. So if you take one example, I've written printf then bracket, the sum is percentage d and then my num. So basically the value in my num will be printed here, and that should come out to be 150. So if I print it out, the sum is coming out to be 150. Okay, great. So this was a basic use of addition also. Now if you can say okay, so this is a basic use of addition also. Now addition can be used like if we take example and sum is equal to like 100, the same example 50. Okay, in sum 1 is equal to 100 plus 150, and then if we take in sum 2 and we take sum 1 plus 2 like 200 like that, and in sum 3 will be sum 2 plus sum 2. And here semicolon. So what happened here? So if we ignore this one, so from here, from line 12, if we see, we have written int sum 1 and then equal to sign and then 100 plus 50. So 100 plus 50 would be assigning 150 to someone. Okay, so I should write 150. Okay, 150 would be assigned here. Now if it writes in sum 2, sum 1 plus 200. So sum 1 was 150. Now 150 plus 200 should be giving us 350. Okay, and nextly if we see sum 3, so sum 3 is sum 2 plus sum 2. So sum 2 was 350. Now 350 plus 350 should be giving us 700. Okay, so this was the basic thing. I hope you have understood it. So what I did was I had written sum 1, then 100 plus 50, 150. Basically this was the earlier one only. At my num there is sum 1 only, and in sum 2 I have written sum 1. So sum 1 is nothing else but 150 only. So 150 plus 200 should give us 350. And now in sum 3, so if we see that in sum 3 should be giving us 700, because sum 2 was 350 and we are adding sum 2 and sum 2 only. So 350 plus 350 is 700. So now I have to write the printf lines also. So printf, I will write sum 1 percentage d and sum 1, and now I will now I will copy this one and I will paste the same one here and here. Okay, give me a second. Yeah, so and also so I will make it sum 2, sum 3, and here sum 2 and sum 3. Okay, and now I will print it. So it should give 150, 350 and 750. Yeah, I had to percentage n, and I have to comment this one also, because then it would be giving this one, and percentage n, yeah, so like this. Okay, so if I run this one, yeah, the sum 1 is 150, sum 2 is 350, and sum 3 is 700. Okay, cool. I think you have understood it. So this was the basic use of the plus operator. As you can see there, I used multiple variables also. You can add variable to variable and assign any third variable the value of addition of two variables. So you can do many things with this basic addition operator. Now there are many operators in C. If I close this one, yeah, so there are many operators in C. So the first one that we did was plus operator, and the next one would be minus operator, and then multiplication operator, then the division operator. I should comment it out like this so you don't okay, so the division operator. Then I have an modulus operator. So modulus operator basically gives us the remainder. So what is the difference between this division and this modulus operator? So in division operator you give the quotient of that question, but in modulus you get the remainder of that question. Also after that I have one increment and one decrement operator. So these are the basic operators in, you can say, in C, which I would be going to be talking about. Okay, so I have talked about plus. Now if I comment this so that it would get printed again, and if I write int num1 100 minus 50 I have written. Okay, and I have written printf subtraction so the subtraction is percentage d I have to write. Okay, and then num1. Okay, so the answer of this one should be 50 ना. Okay, because मैंने यहाँ पे int num1 लिखा है, because 100 minus 50, so 100 minus 50 would be giving us 50 only. So subtraction of this one should give us, after printing, 50. Yeah, cool. Yeah, okay, so that was the basic use of minus. Now you can do many things with minus operator, that is up to you. You have to practice it more and more. Okay, now let it be like this. Now int num2, I have to write 100, like I write multiplication sign, which is basically the asterisk sign. So you can use the sign by shift 8, you hold shift and then you write 8, then this asterisk sign comes up, and this is the basically used for multiplication. And then printf multiplication %d num2. okay, and I have to add the new line characters also, because then everything would be in one line only and you won't be understanding what happened. So subtraction was 50, multiplication is 5000, because 100 into 50 is 5000. okay, cool. Now num3, now in num3 I write 100 divided by 50, 100 divided by 50. okay, and the same thing, printf division is num3. okay, now the answer should come out to be 2. Yeah, the answer is 2. You should add one new line character also, but yeah, the answer is coming out to be 2. So this was the thing. And now if num4, and let's say I take another example, like 230 divided by 50. okay, cool. And then I write remainder is %d, and I have to add one new line character. okay, new line character is very, very important, because other than because if you don't use new line character, then everything will come out to be in one line only, and it won't be and you won't be able to understand what you have done for every line of code. See, and I run it up, remainder is 4. okay, cool. Nextly, if I write num5, so now I will be talking about the increment and post increment. okay, so what are increment and post increment? So if I let it be there, so what is increment operator? So if we talk about increment, so it is basically adding 1 to any value that we have written, or we can say increasing the value. Now you can say the increment is basically in two parts. The first one is increment, and the next one is post increment. okay, so what are pre-increment and post increment? So pre-increment is basically when your value is added firstly, and then it is increased first, and then it is printed out. But in post increment your value is first printed and then it is incremented. So basically मतलब मैं कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि देखो प्री इंक्रीमेंट में बेसिकली हो रहा है कि तुम्हारी वैल्यू पहले एक बार बढ़ रही है और फिर वो प्रिंट हो जा रही है, और पोस्ट इंक्रीमेंट में बेसिकली ये हो रहा है कि तुम्हारी वैल्यू पहले प्रिंट हो जा रही है और उसके बाद फिर वो बढ़ रही है, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम जब हम प्रिंट करेंगे तब वो बढ़ जाएगी. सो इसका यूज़ देखते हैं. सो बेसिकली देखो राइट like I say मैंने 200 लिया. okay, so here now I have written num4 plus plus. okay, num4 plus plus कर दिया हमने. अब मैंने printf कर दिया. I can say inc is, or you can say अभी हम प्री इंक्रीमेंट कर रहे हैं. and num4. सो बेसिकली मैंने एग्जांपल लिख लिया है, और अगर मैं अब इसको रन करूँगा सो 201 आ रहा है। ओके, सो 201 क्यों आया? क्योंकि 200 मैंने लिखा, पहले असाइन कर दिया num5 को, फिर मैंने उसका इंक्रीमेंटेशन किया है यहाँ पे। सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे इंक्रीमेंटेशन हो रहा है, ठीक है, यहाँ पे इंक्रीमेंटेशन हो रहा है। एंड प्रिंट है फ्री इंक्रीमेंटेशन %d num5, ठीक है, तो 201 प्रिंट होगा। ओके, ठीक है, तो वही प्रिंट हुआ है। सो बेसिकली मैंने दोनों के एग्जांपल्स लिख दिए हैं। द फर्स्ट वन वुड कम आउट टू बी इंट num प्लस, यहाँ पे इंक्रीमेंटेशन हुआ है तो पहले 200 प्रिंट होगा, उसके बाद इंक्रीमेंटेशन होगा। और नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा इंट num6 इक्वल 200, और पहले इंक्रीमेंटेशन होगा, फिर वो प्रिंट होगा इंक्रीमेंटेशन के साथ, और यहाँ पे पहले प्रिंट होगा फिर इंक्रीमेंटेशन होगा, ठीक है। तो ये बेसिक यूज़ था इंक्रीमेंटेशन दोनों का, ठीक है। डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल सो दैट आई कैन ब्रिंग मोर वीडियोज़ टू यू as soon as possible, and I'll be posting videos regularly so that you don't get left behind. So that is it for the video. Do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that is it for the video. Peace out.